Raw cacao is more than just an ingredient, it's a superfood. Ancient civilizations cherished cacao. They used it in rituals and for health. Today, science is beginning to understand its powerful benefits. Raw cacao is a treasure trove of nutrients. It's packed with antioxidants, minerals, and more. These nutrients work together to support overall well-being. Raw cacao can boost your energy levels and elevate your mood. Holistic health focuses on the connection of mind, body, and spirit, emphasizing the importance of balance and harmony within ourselves. Stem cells are crucial in this approach as they play a vital role in the body's ability to heal and rejuvenate. They have the potential to repair and regenerate tissues, offering hope for recovery from various ailments and injuries. Amazingly, raw cacao has a positive impact on stem cell production, enhancing the body's natural healing processes. This makes it a powerful ally for holistic well-being, contributing to overall health and vitality. Many people confuse raw cacao with cocoa powder, but they are fundamentally different in terms of processing and nutritional content. They are not the same, and understanding the difference is key to making healthier choices. Cocoa powder is processed at high temperatures, which significantly alters its nutritional profile. This processing destroys valuable nutrients, stripping away many of the health benefits. Raw cacao, however, retains all its natural goodness, preserving the essential nutrients and antioxidants that support well-being. Incorporating raw cacao into your diet can be a delicious and nutritious way to boost your health. From smoothies to desserts, raw cacao offers a versatile and healthful ingredient for a variety of recipes. Embrace the benefits of this misunderstood superfood and enhance your holistic health journey. Raw cacao is bursting with antioxidants. Antioxidants protect our bodies from damage. This damage comes from harmful molecules called free radicals. Raw cacao contains more antioxidants than blueberries and even red wine. These antioxidants help fight inflammation and boost the immune system. Cocoa powder, on the other hand, loses many of its antioxidants during processing. The heat diminishes its health benefits. When choosing between the two, raw cacao is the clear winner. A heart-healthy indulgence. Raw cacao is an excellent ally for your heart. It's rich in flavonols. Flavonols are powerful antioxidants that support cardiovascular health. They improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Studies show that consuming raw cacao can reduce the risk of heart disease. It can also improve cholesterol levels. Adding raw cacao to your diet is a delicious way to take care of your heart. The stem cell connection. Stem cells are fascinating entities that hold the key to many of our body's natural healing processes. Stem cells are the body's repair system. They have the unique ability to develop into different cell types, which makes them incredibly versatile. They can transform into any cell type, whether it's muscle, nerve, or blood cells. This adaptability is what makes them so valuable in medical research and treatments. This makes them crucial for healing and regeneration. When the body is injured, stem cells rush to the site to repair damaged tissues. Raw cacao has a remarkable impact on stem cell production. It's not just a delicious treat, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. It contains compounds that stimulate the growth of new stem cells. These compounds are known as flavonoids, which are abundant in raw cacao. This stem cell boost is significant. Studies have shown that consuming raw cacao can lead to a noticeable increase in stem cell activity. It can aid in tissue repair, wound healing, and even slow down the aging process. The enhanced stem cell activity helps the body to heal faster and more efficiently. Raw cacao's ability to enhance stem cell activity makes it a powerful tool for rejuvenation. Incorporating it into your diet could be a simple yet effective way to boost your body's natural healing capabilities. Embrace the holistic power of raw cacao. Raw cacao is a true gift from nature. This ancient superfood has been cherished for centuries, revered by ancient civilizations for its remarkable properties. It nourishes the body, mind, and spirit, providing a holistic approach to wellness that few other foods can match. Its rich nutrient profile offers incredible health benefits, packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health. From boosting cardiovascular health to supporting stem cell production, raw cacao is in a league of its own. It helps improve blood flow, reduces inflammation, and promotes cellular regeneration. Embrace the power of this ancient superfood. Its benefits extend beyond physical health, enhancing mental clarity and emotional well-being. Incorporate raw cacao into your diet in various forms, such as smoothies, desserts, or even as a healthy snack. You'll experience a noticeable difference in your well-being, feeling more energized, focused, and balanced. Explore the world of holistic health and discover the power within you. Raw cacao is more than just a food. It's a pathway to a healthier, more vibrant life.